Hey, what's going on? Danny Burns here, and if you are a new member in $25 one-up and you're not sure how to effectively use the system, then you definitely want to stay tuned and watch this video from start to finish. All right, I'm going to get into what you need to do, okay, to start seeing sales for yourself, and I'm also going to show you what doing this practice has done for other people in the program. Okay, so let's jump right into it. So I'm going to log in. All right. Then I'm going to go to My Products. I'm going to go to Gold Level. Prewritten ads. Scroll down. Now, as you can see here, it says daily ads to post. Now, these are posts that you want to post into your personal profile, like on your wall on Facebook. Okay. It can either be Facebook, or if you're savvy like that, you can also post this on Instagram or your preferred social media platform. Okay, but I'm going to scroll down to Facebook posts and tweets. All right, now you're going to choose one of these. Okay, but I would prefer, I already have one done, but I used number 8, creating the perfect 100 plus pre-written ads with a marketing system that does all the selling and telling. It can take for years, but imagine being able to cut years into just a few months. Okay, and I just used that portion of it. I'm going to show you why in a minute. So when using these posts, you want to use these posts in the niche of making money online, okay, working from home, network marketing, affiliate marketing, online business, niches of that nature, okay, because that's who this post talks to. Okay, people in that field would respond to that particular kind of post. So I'm going to paste. All right, and it tells you that you want to use a photo. Right, so what I do is I would go to Unsplash. Right, and I would put in, let's see here, so let's go with an emotion, right? Got a little cold. Let's go with an emotion. So, frustration. That's what pops up there. Okay, so ugh. I like that one. I like ugh. So let's download that. Right. Let's download ugh. Go back to our group. Drag and drop ugh there, and I'm going to add an emoji. So that's a couple emojis. Why? Because it attracts attention and it pulls the eye. Where's the thinking one? There we go. Boom. All right. Space. Then I would put ask me how, or comment how. There we go. Comment how. For more details. Okay. And then I'll put that, right? And I would click post. And I would do this for, I would do this in 10 groups, okay? The first post to 10 in the morning, okay? And the first post, and the second post to 10 at night, okay? Because you want to be able to kind of reach all time zones, all right? You want to reach all time zones. It gives people a chance to see your post, no matter what time they decide that they want to come online or what have you, right? Let's see here. Now, for the people that do respond, right, you want to use either voice or a script. So you can copy and paste this. You can pause this at any time. Copy this for your records and use it, okay, because it's pretty effective. All right. Hey, it's your name. Thank you for responding to my post. I can show you how I'm banking 500 plus a week, sharing a 7-minute video. Watch the video here and let's get you paid today. Now in your back office, right, there's going to be a couple of links that you can use that capture email addresses, okay? You definitely want to do that. That is your priority. Why? Because when you capture an email address, the system follows up with your prospects, okay? They follow up with your prospects and do the heavy lifting for you so you don't have to, all right? So you want to plug in that link here, okay? And that will take them from that page, the landing page, to your sales page and can lead to a sale, okay? Then you put your name, and then you want to wait at least 15 to 20 minutes to follow up with them on Facebook, okay? You want to type, are you ready to get started, right? They'll either say yes or either say no. If they say yes, okay, great. Then you want to paste your account creation link that's in your back office in this space, okay, so they can get started, right? If they say no, not a problem. I appreciate your time. Would you know anyone else that could benefit from making multiple $500 days on autopilot? Because that does happen, okay? And you wait. You don't say anything more. You wait. They'll either tell you, yes, I know a friend, or send a friend your way without saying anything to you, or no, I don't. If they say no, hey, that is okay. The door is always open whenever you're ready to get started, all right? And you leave it at that. And that is it for that portion on getting started. Now let me show you. What the results are for this process. Okay. Now, this is the official proof group for $25 1-up, this group is for people to showcase how much they've earned with the program. All right, so I'm going to click on that. But this is a closed group, so if you want an invite to this group, you will have to get an invite from someone who is an actual member. Okay, send me an invite on Facebook. My link to that will be in the description below. Send me an invite, and I will invite you to the group so you can see for yourself. Okay. Let's see here for the photos. There we go. Click on photos. Showing leaderboards, and I'm just gonna quickly scroll through more. Click through 25. Okay, 250,365 last 7 days. That's pretty sweet. 475 here. 100. 25, 100. 650. So as you can see, 100. As you can see, the results are real. It's happening, and if you follow this every single day, right? Every single day, you can generate these results for yourself. All right, 538. So that's 500 days back to back. All right. 250. $27,150 in the last 365 days. And I know that Adriana's only been promoting this for a couple months, right? And her results are amazing. Okay, amazing. But you definitely want to make sure that people are subscribing with their email address, okay? Because you can miss people, right? On the internet, people have a very short attention span. That is normal, all right? There's a lot of distractions, things like that. So you want to make sure that your opportunity is always available, all right? And that you're following up with them on a daily basis, because if you're not, they may miss you, and they lose their opportunity and you lose yours. That's simple, all right? And that is it. That is all I got. If this is your first introduction to $25 1UP, a link to what this system is all about is in the description below. All right. If you are not new, this will definitely help you getting income or start getting sales in your business. Okay, and that is it. That is it. Stay blessed, take care, and to your success. Peace.